Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to complete the service fee mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing and liking the video. To complete this mission, you have two tasks as a police officer. Patrol a gas station for 5 minutes and arrest a criminal while they are robbing an ATM. First, let's complete the 5-minute patrol at the gas station. Open your map, select the auto and repair option, and you will see several locations marked. A few of these locations have gas stations. Just head to any one of them and spend 5 minutes there. As you can see, I am heading to a gas station now, and after spending 5 minutes here, this part of the mission is done. Second, you need to arrest a player while they are in the middle of robbing an ATM. You can look around for regular players doing ATM robberies, or if that is too difficult, you can ask a friend for help. Have your friend start an ATM robbery, then shoot and arrest them during the haste to complete the requirement. Once both tasks are finished, head back to the police station. Talk to the NPC Bert and turn in the mission to claim your completion. And that is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.